What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Week 44, day 2, Sunday night. Today's Tuesday. Sunday night, man, it rained like crazy. Slap of thunder, shook the house, knocked the power out. Yesterday, too muddy to do anything out here. Hopefully, my helper, Michael, is gonna be out here after school today, and I wanna get from the ditch down to the stump cleaned up so we can throw grass seed out tomorrow. I got a lot of trash. Late last week, I scooped up raked some dirt up to put around that tree over there because it's got some roots. So I want to cover those up. I want to get this cleaned up today. And yesterday when I came out, I marked some more stumps that I'm going to hit. So I'm going to do that while I'm waiting on him to come out for school. So I'm going to go hit those stumps and see if we can get this area ready to throw grass seed on it tomorrow. And then hopefully also tomorrow, maybe even today, start cleaning up sticks and around the trees up on phase 1 up there. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. That work? Now drive up. All right, try it again. All right, whoa, 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 whoa. Woo! So I ran the chain harrow over all this. We cleaned up around that tree. Still got a little bit more to get. Just put that in the island over there. See if I can hit this with the landscape rake. All right, so we got those 2 trees taken care of. We got all the piles of crap up, sticks and rocks. He's gonna spread out this dirt I got over here by this other tree, and then he's gonna go from the ditch down to the bottom, getting up what's left of the rocks, sticks and roots. I'm gonna go up here into phase 1. I'm gonna landscape rake up in there some more. Jason showed up. He's gonna start working on the fire. So I got stuff going on all over the place. Kind of hard to film it, but we're starting to look pretty good. And I'll run the chain harrow over this again before we seed. But I'm gonna head up into phase 1 and work on that some more. Hopefully, plan is to seed this tomorrow, cover it with hay. Hope we got enough hay, straw, and I'd love to be able to get phase 1 seeded this week too, but I don't know if time is going to allow. All right, let's get to work. All right, everybody, we're gonna call it a day. We are ready to seed, I think. It's gonna be close enough. Before we throw out the seed tomorrow, I'm gonna run over this again with the chain harrow one more time. Phase 1 is looking pretty good up there. All that up there is looking pretty good. I may seed it tomorrow too. I ain't got enough straw to cover it. I'll have to go get some more, and I gotta get some fertilizer and some lime too. Weather permitting, and I think it's supposed to be okay. We're gonna seed tomorrow. That's gonna be all for week 44, day 2. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll holler at you later. See ya. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Week 44, day 3. It is Wednesday, March the 29th. We are gonna be putting seed on this dirt, finally. I've already been out here for a little bit. I went over it with the landscape rake, and then I went over it with the lawnmower and the chain harrow. Ran over some not stumps, roots and sticks, whatever that were sticking up. Michael's going through one last time, picking up any big rocks, big chunks of wood that I might have churned up. And then I was getting ready to put some seed in my spreader, and I noticed that the piece of wire was gone right here. I was like, well, I think it had one there before. So I had to fix that. I used those marking flags that I bought, wrapped it on there. I think it'll work. Maybe stronger than what was in there from the factory. You about ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me look over it one more time and then.
Okay. All right. Woo! Let's put some seed on here. And we got our straw. I brought the straw back. Also got some 2 bags of triple 10, 1 bag of pelletized lime. I'm gonna put that on today. Do half a bag of lime on this section, another half bag way up yonder, probably 1 bag of fertilizer here, and another bag up there. That's the plan. I don't know nothing about it. That's what we're gonna do. All right, we're about to get ready. Back in a minute. All right. All right, let go. Ah, dang it. Yeah, there it goes. That's the lime. We've done seed, fertilizer, and now lime. We don't really know how much to put. I don't know. I may burn all this seed up. I don't know. We'll see if the grass comes up or not. Is that all of it? Good enough?
Yeah, that's all of it now.
All right, good deal. Take you a break. All right, everybody. Michael and I are tired. There's the ditch. We got it seeded, fertilized, limed, and straw put down. And if y'all think I'm walking all the way down here, you're crazy. Whew. I'm tired. All that. Today's Wednesday, March the something. 28th. Today's the 29th. Yep. All right. Wednesday. So Friday night it's going to rain. And then there's at least a 35% chance of rain every day after that for 10 days. I think our seed will be good. It should germinate and start to sprout. Tomorrow, try to head up into phase 1 and do all this again. I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll holler at you later. See ya. I really had another reason for coming down to the dealership today. I ordered some stuff, had it delivered here. Let's go take a look at it. But this joker right here is gonna be heavy. I gotta sharpen my knife, that's ridiculous. Oh yeah. Oh my Lord have mercy. There's an artillery stump bucket. Woo! Yeah, I paid a little extra for that. I know my tractor didn't start out that shiny green.
Come on, man.
Okay, everybody. I got the Artilian 3,000 pound frame with the hitch capacity. There's me a bucket, and there's some, what is the 42 by 4 pallet forks. All right, hey, they made sure to wrap it up. Some extra teeth. Sides are already serrated on the bucket. I guess when I wear them out, maybe I'll put these on, so I might as well just save these. I didn't know that was already serrated like that. Let's check out these bad boys right here. These look pretty gnarly in the picture. That should skim on some roots a little bit. Yeah. I'll put them on later. All right, everybody. So here's a 24-inch Artilian stump bucket. My pallet forks. Now, how's this thing go on here? I gotta remember how this thing hooks on.
Hold on, you got it?
Good God Almighty, how are you supposed to do this by yourself?
Each ground end, or you want to let the tractor do it?
I'm gonna let the tractor, but I don't know. Let's look at some instructions. How about that? Oh, by the way, it's your fault. I'm getting hydraulic oil all over your floor right there. Oh, I'm off a little bit. Because now if I move this one over here, that one's just gonna be right there, so it is where it is, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta remember, I don't remember how this thing works. All right, I did have to go to the trusted YouTube because I just wasn't noticing here on the diagram, the pictures, but these sit on the top of the ridges, not down in the ridge. They sit up here on the flat part, and then your key, your locking key, go in, turn it. Now that's how we secure it on there. Good to go. Y'all hear me talk about John all the time. That's his ugly mug right there. So you gonna have my tractor fixed by 4 o'clock today?
We're working on it.
That means no.
We're working on it.
All right, everybody. I will be tractorless probably for about 2 weeks.
Maybe not. Maybe not that.
I appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll holler at you later. See you.